Hi friends, now I will show you how to quickly download and install OBS. The first thing we do is to type in Google search, OBS. Go to the official OBS website. Then on the main screen, select your operating system and the download of OBS installation file starts. Once the download is complete, open the file. Agree to the rules and choose where to install the program. I'll leave everything as default. Once OBS is installed, let's get started with the quick and easy customization. OBS will ask you a couple of simple questions to help you optimize the program depending on your goals. Do you want to stream or only record video, screen resolution, and frames per second? If you're not going to stream video games, 30 frames will be enough. If you plan to play games and the iron of your computer is not weak, it is recommended to set 60 frames per second. Next, select the platform on which you want to conduct live broadcasts and authorize with your account. Now you know how to quickly download and install OBS. If this video was useful for you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck to you!